Hey guys, today we're talking about shoe anatomy. Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. Nooreen, your resident foot and ankle specialist, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, what makes up a shoe? Let's break down shoe anatomy in this video. So we'll start from the bottom. So the bottom part of your shoe that makes contact with the ground is called your outsole. It provides traction and stability while you move. It also has grooves and patterns that allow gripping and support while you're walking to decrease the chances of you slipping. The more extensive these grooves and patterns are, the more grip you're going to have with your shoe, and the less likely you are to slip and fall. Which is why with like hiking shoes, you're going to see really extensive grip pattern. So for example, a ballerina will want shoes that have more flat and have no groove in the outsole because they want to slip and be smooth with their movement and not have their shoes stopping them from the dance moves that they're trying to do. Versus a hiker is going to want a very extensive groove and grip pattern so that they have a lot of stability and support and a lot of grip so that when they're hiking, there's less chances of them slipping. Next is the midsole, which I can't really show you in this shoe because it's inside. But next we're going to talk about the midsole. So the midsole sits in between the outsole and the insole, and it provides the cushioning and shock absorption of the shoe. Some midsoles will also have arch support. Next is the insole. The insole is a part of the shoe that actually touches your foot. And it's typically just like a thin, cushiony type of material to provide comfort. Okay, you guys, then you have something called the shank. That sits in between the insole and the outsole. And it's usually rigid and it provides your arch support. And then you guys, you have your heel cup or your heel counter. It's the back of the shoe that provides the support and structure for your heel to sit in. The heel counter also prevents your heel from slipping out when you're walking. All right, you guys, and then you also have your upper, which is the material that actually is wrapped around your foot. Like that's like the pattern or the design that people usually look at when they're buying a shoe to see what they like in terms of aesthetics. Typically it's made out of a breathable material in gym shoes to promote airflow and decrease moisture on your feet. Alright you guys, those are like the basics of what a shoe is made up of. There's things like the vamp, the tongue, a lot of other things that go into what makes up a shoe, but those are like the basic components of it. I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stretch and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks. Bye.